Hello everyone, today we are comparing Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite, S10 FE and S10 FE Plus. Let's see this poly video. First compare the body features. Galaxy Tab S10 FE and S10 FE Plus come with an IP68 rating. Display features. Galaxy Tab S10 Lite comes with TFT LCD display, and the S10 FE and S10 FE Plus come with IPS LCD display. Next, compare the hardware features. All three tablets are powered by the Exynos chipset. Camera features. Let's compare the battery features. Next, compare the sound and other features. These devices link with studio speakers, Bluetooth 5.3 and Wi-Fi. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.